The 2027 Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 represents the highest level of luxury ever offered in a full-size SUV designed for those who expect perfection in every detail. From the moment it appears, this vehicle delivers an unmistakable sense of authority and elegance. The signature Maybach grille dominates the front, finished in radiant chrome that reflects sophistication and power, while the smooth body lines and refined proportions create a presence that feels bold yet graceful. Every angle of the GLS 600 speaks the language of exclusivity. The advanced LED lighting system gives the SUV a sharp, modern expression, day or night. Large alloy wheels and subtle Maybach badging reinforce its elite identity, making it clear that this is not an ordinary Mercedes, it is something far beyond. Open the doors and step into a sanctuary of luxury. The interior of the 2027 Maybach GLS 600 is crafted to deliver absolute comfort and refinement. Premium leather upholstery, hand-finished wood trims, and elegant metal accents combine to create an environment that feels warm, rich, and meticulously designed. Ambient lighting flows gently throughout the cabin, allowing passengers to set the mood exactly how they like it. The rear cabin is where this SUV truly defines its purpose. Built for ultimate relaxation, the executive rear seats offer deep cushioning, extended legroom, and advanced reclining functions. Massage programs, seat ventilation, and heating ensure first-class comfort on every journey. With exceptional sound insulation, road noise is nearly eliminated, turning every drive into a peaceful escape. Technology in the GLS 600 enhances luxury rather than overpowering it. The latest MBUX system delivers intuitive controls through large digital displays, voice commands, and touch inputs. Rear passengers enjoy individual screens, premium audio, and personalized settings that make every ride feel private and exclusive. Everything works seamlessly, allowing you to stay connected while remaining completely relaxed. Powering the 2027 Maybach GLS 600 is a refined V8 engine paired with advanced mild hybrid technology. Acceleration is smooth and confident, delivering strong performance without sacrificing comfort. The adaptive air suspension absorbs imperfections in the road, making the ride feel effortless and incredibly refined, even at highway speeds. Safety and intelligence are deeply integrated into this luxury SUV. Advanced driver assistance features continuously monitor the surroundings, offering support with braking, steering, and speed control. These systems operate quietly in the background, adding confidence and security without distracting from the driving experience. What truly makes the 2027 Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 special is the emotion it creates. Every journey feels important. Every moment inside feels elevated. It's a vehicle designed not just to transport you, but to impress, relax, and inspire. If you're searching for the ultimate luxuries, UV that blends power, comfort, and prestige, the 2027 Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 stands unmatched. It is more than a car, it's a lifestyle statement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium car content. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the Maybach GLS 600 or another luxury SUV as your dream ride?